Let's begin with our next topic, that is cycloaddition reactions. Now, these cycloaddition reactions, they are second category of these pericyclic reactions. First, we have discussed electrocyclic. Now are cycloaddition reactions. Now, what are these cycloaddition reactions? These are reactions in which, what do you understand by cycloaddition? Means what will happen in these reactions?
सर साइक्लिक प्रोडक्ट फॉर्म होएगा
Cyclic product form होएगा, बिल्कुल ठीक. So in cycloaddition reaction, what happens? Two or more than two unsaturated molecules, they undergo addition together via किस टाइप की ट्रांजिशन स्टेट नाल? Concerted cyclic transition state with cyclic shift of electrons to give cyclic product. So in pericyclic reactions, you get the cyclic product. Two unsaturated molecules, they undergo addition together. Moreover, in this reaction, two new sigma bonds are formed. Two new sigma bonds are formed at cost of 2 pi bonds. So in cycloaddition reaction, two unsaturated molecules, they will undergo addition together via concerted cyclic transition state with cyclic shift of electrons to give rise to a cyclic product. And there will be a formation of two new sigma bond at the cost of 2 pi bonds. So can you give me an example of such kind of reaction? We have discussed many times. For example, if you have two ethylene molecules like this, so they can undergo cycloaddition reaction to give rise to a cyclobutane. So you can see in product we have two new sigma bond, and these 2 pi bonds, they have been consumed to form a new sigma bond. And what we will call this reaction? Which kind of cycloaddition?
2 plus 2 pi.
Yes, 2 plus 2 cycloaddition. Why 2 plus 2 cycloaddition? Because both reactants, they consist of 2 pi electrons. Here, this ethylene molecule, it has 2 pi electrons. That's why it is a 2 plus 2 cycloaddition reaction. Now, give me one other reaction, cycloaddition reaction. बहुत ही famous है, बहुत बार लिखी है अपन ने.
Sir, 4 plus 2.
Yes, 4 plus 2 cycloaddition. And this 4 plus 2 cycloaddition is also known as reaction. So in this case, you have one molecule with 4 pi electron, another molecule with 2 pi electron. Now, can you give me an example with 4 pi electrons? Conjugated molecule with 4 pi electrons?
1,3-butadiene.
Good. So we have a 1,3-butadiene plus 2 pi electron system, ethylene. So they undergo the cyclic reaction, and your product is cyclohexene. So mainly we will study these two reactions, 2 plus 2 cycloaddition and 4 plus 2 cycloaddition, and we will see under which condition this reaction will take place. That means the light the presence chundi hai ya thermal condition chundi hai. So we have to check out that. So is it clear what are these cycloaddition reactions? And we have a 2 plus 2 cycloaddition, or we may have 4 plus 2 cycloaddition reactions. So now these reactions, they can take place by two different ways. So let us see some important point about these reactions that you have to remember, जो तुसी याद रखोगे. The very first point is this reaction take place by overlap between a molecule and LUMO of other molecule. How cycloaddition take place? By overlapping between HOMO of one molecule, to remember this point. And when there will be a bond formation, when lobes of same sign they overlap or lobes of opposite sign they will overlap. Bond formation
Same sign.
same sign. Okay. So you have a two molecules. एक molecule ਦਾ HOMO दूसरे molecule ਦੇ LUMO ਦੇ ਨਾਲ overlap ਕਰੇਗਾ. अगर यह overlapping additive ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ, that means same sign ਦੀਆਂ lobes एक दूसरे ਦੇ ਉੱਪਰ overlap ਕਰਦੀਆਂ ਨੇ, then reaction will take place अगर नहीं कर दिया then reaction will not take place. Very first point to remember. Any doubt?
सर लास्ट ते की बोलिया सीगा रिपीट करियो
बेटे how this cycloaddition take place by overlapping of HOMO of the one molecule with LUMO of the other molecule. And reaction will take place only if there is a same sign overlapping. Agar the same reaction will be allowed or it will be forbidden. Simple. Is it clear now?
यस सर
Okay. Now there are two different ways. There are two different ways by which this overlap can take place. There are two different ways by which this overlapping can take place. The very first way is suprafacial, or also called syn addition, and it's antarafacial or anti-addition, also given by small a. So how this overlapping between the HOMO and LUMO can take place either by suprafacial or by antarafacial. So let us see what is suprafacial and what is antarafacial. Suppose you have this molecule. Okay, suppose you have this is HOMO and this is LUMO. So as I told you earlier, HOMO lobes of these HOMO will overlap lobes of these LUMO. Now we will call suprafacial if lobes present on same side they overlap. Supra means same side, same face. So we will call suprafacial overlapping if lobes present on molecular orbital on the same side, okay, on the same side they overlap. We will call it suprafacial. And what will be antarafacial? When lobes present on
Opposite
side present undergoes overlapping, we will call it antarafacial. So suprafacial means same side, antarafacial means opposite side. Okay, so let's come here. We have this HOMO, we have this LUMO. Now you will tell me if this lobe, suppose it overlaps with this one and this lobe overlaps with this one. For this HOMO, what you will call it? Suprafacial or antarafacial? Suprafacial overlapping, they are present on the same side. So it is suprafacial. For this LUMO, these lobes are suprafacial or antarafacial?
Antarafacial.
No. Antarafacial means these lobes, they are present on opposite side. Look here, this lobe and this lobe, are they present on opposite side?
No, sir.
They are present on same side. So this is also suprafacial. And this kind of overlapping is called supra-supra. That means when both lobes, okay, when your HOMO as well LUMO, they undergo overlapping in such a way that all lobes, they are present on the same side. So in HOMO, both lobes are on same side. In LUMO, both lobes are on same side. So this kind of overlapping is called supra-supra. Now let's see next. उसके बाद थोड़ा और clear हो जाएगा. So let's again, suppose you have again two molecules, HOMO and LUMO. So again, this is HOMO, this is overlapping with this one, okay? And this lobe, it undergoes overlapping with this one, okay? So now for this HOMO molecule, it is supra or antara? For this HOMO molecule, supra, because both lobes, they are present on the same side, which are undergoing overlapping. So this is supra. And for this LUMO,
Antara.
antara. Why antara? Because lobes which are undergoing overlapping, they are present on opposite side. So this is supra antara. Got this point or not? Okay, so let's take the next example. That will make things more clear. So again, you have a HOMO and LUMO. Okay, suppose this overlap with this one and this overlap with this one. So what kind of overlapping it is now?
Supra.
Dekho dhyan naal, it's not supra.
Antara.
Antara and
Antara.
Okay. For this HOMO molecule, it is supra or entera. You can see combining lobes, they are present on opposite side. So it is supra or entera for this HOMO.
Antara.
Entera. And for LUMO, combining lobes again are on
Entera.
opposite side. It is entera. So this is entera. So overlapping between HOMO and LUMO can take place by three different ways. One is supra-supra. Second is supra-entera or entera-supra. And third one is entera-entera. Any doubt, anyone, bete?
ਸਰ ਇਹ ਕਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਲੋਬ ਦੇਖਣੀਆਂ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਸਮਝ ਨਹੀਂ ਆਈ ਹੈਗੀ
ਬੇਟੇ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਲੋਬਸ ਓਵਰਲੈਪ ਕਰ ਰਹੀਆਂ ਨੇ ਮੰਨ ਲਓ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਇਹ ਮੰਨ ਲਓ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਲਿਊਮੋ ਹੈ ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਇਹ ਮੰਨ ਲਓ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਹੋਮੋ ਹੈ ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਆਪਾਂ ਨੇ ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਲੋਬਸ ਇੱਕ ਦੂਜੇ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਓਵਰਲੈਪ ਕਰ ਰਹੀਆਂ ਨੇ ਉਹ ਲੋਬਸ ਦੇਖਣੀਆਂ ਨੇ ਵੀ ਸੇਮ ਸਾਈਡ ਨੇ ਜਾਂ ਆਪੋਜ਼ਿਟ ਸਾਈਡ ਨੇ ਅਗਰ ਉਹ ਸੇਮ ਸਾਈਡ ਨੇ ਤਾਂ ਉਹ ਸੁਪਰਾ ਹੈ ਅਗਰ ਆਪੋਜ਼ਿਟ ਸਾਈਡ ਨੇ ਤਾਂ ਐਂਟਰ ਹੈ ਹੁਣ ਮੈਂ ਅਗਰ ਇਹ ਵਾਲੀ ਲੋਬ ਇਸ ਲੋਬ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਓਵਰਲੈਪ ਕਰ ਦਵਾਂ ਆ ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਲੋਬਸ ਓਵਰਲੈਪ ਕਰ ਰਹੀਆਂ ਨੇ ਸੇਮ ਸਾਈਡ ਨੇ ਕਿ ਆਪੋਜ਼ਿਟ ਸਾਈਡ ਨੇ
ਸੇਮ
ਹਾਂ ਤਾਂ ਸੇਮ ਆਪਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਕੀ ਕਹਾਂਗੇ ਸੁਪਰਾ ਲਿਊਮੋ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਦੇਖੋ ਇੱਕ ਇਹ ਓਵਰਲੈਪ ਕਰ ਰਹੀ ਇੱਕ ਇਹ ਓਵਰਲੈਪ ਕਰ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ ਦੋਨੋਂ ਕਿਨੇ ਸੇਮ ਸਾਈਡ ਨੇ ਤਾਂ ਆਪਾਂ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਕੀ ਕਹਾਂਗੇ supra. Okay. Now you will tell me. Now suppose I have this situation. Again, suppose this is overlapping with this one, and let us make this right. Tell me, this one is
supra.
Supra. Why supra?
Same
Because both lobes they are on the same overlap कर रही हैं. So this is supra,
Entera.
and here entera. This and this are on opposite side. ਜਿਹੜੀ overlap ਕਰ ਰਹੀਆਂ. So this वाली lobe ਇੱਥੇ overlap ਕਰਦੀ ਇਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ.
Entera.
ਦੋਨੋਂ ਕੀ ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਐਂਟਰਾ ਨਾਓ ਇਜ਼ ਇਟ ਕਲੀਅਰ ਕਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਲੋਬਸ ਦੇਖਣੀਆਂ ਨੇ ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਓਵਰਲੈਪ ਕਰ ਰਹੀਆਂ ਨੇ ਮੋਲੀਕੂਲਰ ਆਰਬਿਟਲ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ
ਓਕੇ ਸਰ
ਇਜ਼ ਇਟ ਕਲੀਅਰ ਟੂ ਆਲ ਆਫ ਯੂ
Yes.
Yes.
sir.
yes
okay so out of these three cases that means supra overlapping supra entera overlapping and entera overlapping in which case best overlapping will take place or in which case reaction will be allowed
Supra.
okay tell me in which case reaction will be allowed in case maximum overlapping will take
Supra.
place
Supra.
yes supra so reaction is always allowed in supra overlapping take place so I think it is clear to all of you
Yes, sir.
okay now let us start with the very first theoretical orbital method for cycloaddition reactions दूसरी theory की है correlational diagram and तीसरी की है PM or Huckel-Mobius method so let's begin with the frontier molecular orbital method for cycloaddition reaction and to the beginning let us start with the very simple system that is your 2+2 cycloaddition reaction 2+2 cycloaddition reaction and we have to check that whether this cycloaddition take place thermal condition or it take place under photochemical condition. So let us begin with the thermal. An example is ethylene. As I told you, how cycloaddition take place? By overlapping between?
Cyclization.
By overlapping between?
2 by.
By overlapping between ਨਹੀਂ ਸੁਪਰਾ ਓਵਰਲੈਪਿੰਗ ਦਾ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਏ ਉਸ ਕੇਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਅਲਾਉਡ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ ਰਿਐਕਸ਼ਨ ਬਟ ਉਹ ਕਿਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਹੋਏਗੀ
Sir, homo of one molecule and LUMO for the
ਹੋਮੋ ਯੈਸ ਹੋਮੋ ਆਫ ਵਨ ਮੋਲੀਕੂਲ ਸੋ ਆਪਣੇ ਕੋਲ ਦੋ ਮੋਲੀਕੂਲ ਨੇ ਦੋ ਇਥਿਲੀਨ ਮੋਲੀਕੂਲ ਇੱਕ ਹੋਮੋ ਲਵਾਂਗੇ ਦੂਸਰੇ ਦਾ ਲਿਊਮੋ ਲਵਾਂਗੇ ਸੋ ਫॉर ਇਥਿਲੀਨ ਮੋਲੀਕੂਲ in ground state under thermal condition what is homo
Psi1.
psi1 ke psi2 molecule so two electrons are here so this is your homo of one ethylene and this is your homo of molecular orbital diagram star so two electrons are here so this is your LUMO so what will happen homo of the one molecule will overlap with paisa LUMO le lene issa appa HUMO le lene dono molecule same ne now what is homo of this ethylene molecule terminal lobes ਕੀ ਨੇ homo ਦੀ એનર્ਜੀ ਘੱਟ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ LUMO ਨਾਲੋਂ ਤਾਂ ਆਪਾਂ ਇਸ ਨੂੰ ਨੀਚੇ ਲਿਖਾਂਗੇ now what is sign you can see here psi1 is homo the terminal
Same.
lobes ਦੇ sign ਕੀ ਹੋਣਗੇ same
Same
opposite
sign.
ਜੋ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਦੱਸਿਆ ਸੀਗਾ ਮੈਂ ਉਹਦੇ sign ਕੀ ਹੋਣਗੇ same ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਬਣਾਉਣ ਦੀ ਵੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਕੋਈ ਲੋੜ ਬਸ ਸ਼ਾਰਟਕਟ ਯਾਦ ਰੱਖੋ so you have plus minus 1 ਕੇ psi2 ਦੂਜੇ ਮੋਲੀਕੂਲ psi2 so your sign of second molecule so here terminal lobes they have what sign same or opposite remember n is
Opposite.
even here So you have a plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. Now reaction will supra. We have to check supra. Supra. That means this with this one. So reaction is allowed or forbidden? Tell me.
Forbidden.
Forbidden.
Why forbidden?
Minus plus overlap.
Yes, good. So here reaction is forbidden because this overlapping result in a formation of sigma star molecular orbital. So under supra situation, reaction cycloaddition is a forbidden because of this kind of overlapping. Moreover, you can also confirm it from the symmetry. What is symmetry of psi 1? N is odd.
Mirror symmetry.
Mirror symmetry. What is symmetry of this psi 2 star?
C2 symmetry.
C2 symmetry. So you can see their symmetry is also opposite. So reaction is forbidden. Now any question up to this point? बहुत ही important है exam ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ 2 number question ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਕਈ ਵਾਰ ਆਂਦਾ ਹੈ. Why 2 plus 2 cycloaddition is not take place under thermal condition? Because there is this kind of overlapping. There is a formation of anti-bonding molecular orbital due to overlapping between plus and minus. Now what we will do? We will look reaction in photochemical state. Chemical reaction. It takes place in presence of light. Happen? Yes, when light will fail, what will happen?
One electron will
मान लो
shift
थोड़े को
to
एक
excited
ethylene
state.
molecule है और एक दूसरा थोड़े को ethylene molecule है. Now in presence of light, what will happen? One of the electron in one ethylene molecule, it will go into excited state. तो मान लो दूसरा ਜਿਹੜਾ ethylene molecule है, इसका electron jump करके ऊपर चले जाता है in excited state. So now you have psi 1, psi 2 star. Okay, so now which is your HOMO and which is your LUMO now?
ਫਿਰ ਇਹ ਤਾਂ ਨਿਊ ਹੋਮੋ ਦੇਖਾਂਗੇ
हाँ जी बेटे.
ਨਿਊ ਹੋਮੋ ਵਾਲਾ ਦੇਖਾਂਗੇ ਇੱਥੇ
Yes. ਹੁਣ ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਰਿਐਕਸ਼ਨ ਹੋ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ ਨਾ ਤਾਂ ਲਾਈਟ ਦੀ ਪ੍ਰੈਜ਼ੈਂਸ ਕੀ ਹੋਏਗਾ ਇਥੀਲੀਨ ਮੋਲੀਕਿਊਲ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਕੁਝ ਇਥੀਲੀਨ ਮੋਲੀਕਿਊਲ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਇਲੈਕਟ੍ਰੋਨ ਜੰਪ ਕਰਕੇ ਲੋਅਰ ਮੋਲੀਕੂਲਰ ਆਰਬਿਟਲ ਟੂ ਹਾਇਰ ਮੋਲੀਕੂਲਰ ਆਰਬਿਟਲ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਚਲਾ ਜਾਏਗਾ ਐਂਡ ਯੂ ਵਿਲ ਗੈਟ ਨਿਊ ਹੋਮੋ ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਸੋ ਵਿਚ ਇਜ਼ ਨਾਓ ਯੋਰ ਨਿਊ ਹੋਮੋ ਐਂਡ ਵਿਚ ਇਜ਼ ਨਾਓ ਯੋਰ ਨਿਊ LUMO
New homo says I2 star.
yes so here this will become your new 2 star and which is your LUMO this is your LUMO your new homo
Opposite.
opposite sorry minus I got that because it is LUMO opposite so I will write minus plus plus minus okay now reaction is allowed or forbidden allowed so supra reaction is allowed okay so from this simple thing we can conclude that under photochemical reaction state now let us move to 4 plus 2 cycloaddition. Now give me example of 4 plus 2 cycloaddition.
1,3-butadiene plus ethylene.
Yes, 1,3-butadiene rise to a cyclohexene. Photochemical. Okay, we have to check out whether reaction take place in thermal condition or photochemical condition. ਤਾਂ ਆਪਾਂ ਕਿਵੇਂ find out ਕਰਾਂਗੇ first of all we will move to the thermal reaction so this is your 1,3-butadiene this is ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ homo or LUMO ਠੀਕ ਹੈ so what are molecular orbital of 1,3-butadiene psi 1 psi 4 star ethylene we have psi 1 psi 2 star. So here you have 4 electrons, 2 electrons in ground state. Now, which is your HOMO and which is your LUMO in ground state?
Psi 1 is homo.
In psi 2 is
Psi 2 is homo.
psi 3 star is LUMO. In ethylene molecule, which is your HOMO and which is your LUMO?
Psi 1.
Psi1 is
Homo.
HOMO and Psi2 star is LUMO. Good. Okay. So tell me of which molecule you will take HOMO and of which molecule you will take LUMO. ਕਿਹੜੇ molecule ਦਾ HOMO ਲਓਗੇ ਔਰ ਕਿਹੜੇ molecule ਦਾ LUMO ਲਓਗੇ?
Sir, psi 2 the homo,
Okay.
psi 2 star lumo.
Okay, you will take HOMO of 1,3-butadiene and LUMO of ethylene. Okay, you are saying this thing. Can we take opposite? Can we take opposite? Can I take LUMO of 1,3-butadiene and HOMO of ethylene?
Maybe.
ਲੈ ਸਕਦੇ ਆ, ਕਿਉਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਲੈ ਸਕਦੇ? There's no, ਆਪਾਂ ਤਾਂ ਹੁਣ ਰਿਐਕਸ਼ਨ ਚ ਕਿਹੜਾ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਵੀ ਕਿਹੜਾ HOMO and LUMO ਹੈ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ? ਸੋ ਅਗਰ ਤਾਂ ਰਿਐਕਸ਼ਨ ਅਲਾਉਡ ਹੋਏਗੀ ਤਾਂ ਦੋਨੋਂ ਤਰੀਕੇ ਨਾਲ ਹੋਏਗੀ, ਅਗਰ ਫੋਰਬਿਡਨ ਹੋਏਗੀ ਤਾਂ ਦੋਨੋਂ ਤਰੀਕੇ ਨਾਲ ਹੋਏਗੀ. ਸੋ ਵੀ ਕੈਨ ਚੂਜ਼ ਐਨੀ ਵਨ. Okay, we can choose this HOMO or this LUMO. ਠੀਕ ਹੈ? So let us take HOMO of 1,3-butadiene and LUMO of ethylene. Now, which is HOMO of 1,3-butadiene? Psi2. Okay, and so HOMO the energy lower hundi hai, so I have to write it over here like this, like this. So it's a 1,3-butadiene. Now, what will be sign of these terminal lobes?
Opposite.
Remember, it is a Psi2. Opposite. So let's write plus HOMO of 1,3-butadiene, Psi2 star 2 symmetric. And I have taken LUMO of 1,3-butadiene, LUMO of ethylene molecule. So that is like this, ethylene. And it is a Psi2 star. So it's a Psi2 aega, bete Psi2 star thoda na aega. Psi2 star. Okay, so what will be sign of terminal lobes?
Opposite sign.
Opposite. So let me write here minus, plus, plus, minus. Now reaction will allowed or forbidden in supra
Allowed.
fashion? I allowed. Lobes of same sign has overlap. So this reaction is allowed under thermal condition. Now apni copy te hun banao by taking HOMO of ethylene and LUMO of 1,3-butadiene और दसो reaction allowed है कि नहीं supra overlapping ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ opposite ਕਰਕੇ ਇਸ ਦਾ. Take HOMO of ethylene and LUMO of 1,3-butadiene. Take HOMO of ethylene and LUMO of 1,3-butadiene and tell me whether reaction is allowed or not. Both are having C to C to symmetric, mirror symmetric, mirror C2. Okay, tell me reaction is allowed or not?
Allowed.
Allowed.
Allowed. So the energy cut hundi hai, so I will write it like here. So this is HOMO, and of course it is mirror symmetric. Okay, this is your LUMO, and this is your Psi3 star. Okay, for Psi3 mirror symmetric reaction will be allowed. Symmetry is conserved. Now it is mirror Psi1 and is also your terminal lobes, they have a same sign. Here Psi3 and is odd, your terminal lobes will have same sign. So interaction reaction is under thermal. Yes, bete, any doubt or a question, please ask.
Sir,
हाँ जी बोलो.
ਸਰ ਜੋ ਇਸ ਵਾਲੇ ਕੇਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ 1,3-butadiene ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਲੋਬਸ ਦੇ ਉੱਪਰ ਆਪਾਂ ਮਾਈਨਸ ਪਲੱਸ ਲਗਾਇਆ ਹੈ, ਸਰ ਇਹ ਜੇ ਪਲੱਸ ਮਾਈਨਸ ਕਰ ਦਈਏ ਸਿਰ ਮਾਈਨਸ ਐਂਡ ਪਲੱਸ ਦੀ ਫਿਰ ਓਵਰਲੈਪਿੰਗ ਤਾਂ ਹੋਣੀ ਨਹੀਂ.
ਬੇਟੇ ਉਹ ਤਾਂ ਦੇਖੋ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਟਰਮੀਨਲ ਲੋਬਸ ਨੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਸਾਈਨ ਸੇਮ ਹੋਣਾ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਕਿਉਂਕਿ n ਓਡ ਹੈ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ? ਅਗਰ ਜਿਵੇਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕਹਿ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ, ਚਲੋ ਮੈਂ ਉਸ ਨੂੰ ਐਵੇਂ ਲਗਾ ਦੇਣਾ ਜਿਵੇਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕਹਿ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ, ਜਿੱਦਾਂ ਆਪਾਂ ਯੂਜ਼ਲੀ ਪਿਛਲੇ ਇਲੈਕਟ੍ਰੋਸਾਈਕਲਸ ਮਾਈਨਸ ਐਵੇਂ ਕਹਿ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ ਨਾ ਤੁਸੀਂ?
ਹਾਂਜੀ ਸਰ.
Okay, and let me take here also plus, plus, this plus overlap over here. Now tell me whether it's a supra again or it is something else, supra entire or entire.
Supra.
Okay, again it is supra, same thing. This is also supra because combining lobes are on same side, and this is also supra, combining lobes are on same side. So this is same thing. ठीक है, तो अपने थोड़ा वो easy दिखाने लिए लिख लिया. Is it clear?
Yes sir.
And I was hoping this question कि ਮੈਨੂੰ ਇਹ ਕੋਈ question ਪੁੱਛੇ. Now is it clear? ਜਿੱਦਾਂ ਆਪਾਂ ਉੱਪਰ ਵੀ ਤਾਂ ਐਵੇਂ ਹੀ ਕੀਤਾ ਹੈ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ? ਆ ਦੇਖੋ minus, but ਮੈਂ ਉਹ minus ਲਿਖਤਾ ਥੱਲੇ plus. That is example the same thing. Supra ਹੀ ਹੋਏਗਾ. Is it clear?
Yes sir.
Okay, good. ਚਲੋ it will get disconnected and rejoin karo, and let's discuss photochemical reaction, and then I will end this lecture.